Hi everyone, I'm Waqar, a seasoned accounting professional. Welcome back to my channel. This is my office, books and tax professionals. Here, my team and I work with small and medium-sized enterprises, our SMEs, to manage their books. We help them keep their operations running smoothly so they can focus on what they do best, growing their businesses. On this channel, I want to take those complex financial and business matters and break them down for you in a simple, everyday kind of discussion. No jargon, no confusing acronyms, just clear, practical advice you can actually use. So, if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or just someone who wants to understand finance a little better, you're in the right place. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming discussions. I'm excited to have you on this journey with me.
Hey Waqar, I'm Alex. I graduated last year and just completed my first year on the job. Lately, I keep hearing my colleagues talk about money management, investing, and personal finance. Honestly, I don't know much about it, but their conversations make me nervous because I have zero savings. I'd love to learn from you and get a better handle on my finances. Can you help me out?
Hey Alex, welcome. I'm glad you reached out because taking control of your finances early on is one of the best decisions you can make. It's completely normal to feel overwhelmed at first, but the good news is that personal finance and money management are skills you can learn with the right guidance. I'd love to help you build a strong financial foundation, and with just 2 meetings a week, you'll start gaining confidence in managing your money effectively. In no time, you'll be making informed decisions about budgeting, saving, and investing like a pro. Let's get started.
I have a lot of questions.
Hold your horses, let's start with introduction.
Okay. Great, then what is financial management?
Financial management is the process of planning, organizing, and controlling money to meet financial goals efficiently. It means managing income, expenses, savings, and investments to ensure financial stability and growth.
That makes sense, but where do I even start?
First, you need a plan. Think about your financial goals. Do you want to buy a house, save for retirement, or start a business?
I want to save for a down payment on a house and build an emergency fund.
Great. Next, organize your finances. Track your income and expenses. Know where your money is coming from and where it's going.
I've never tracked my spending before. How do I do that?
Start by listing your monthly income and fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. Then, track discretionary spending like dining out or entertainment.
That sounds simple enough. But what about controlling my finances?
Once you know your cash flow, allocate your money wisely. Follow the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Controlling means regularly reviewing your budget and adjusting as needed. Life changes, and so should your financial plan.
So, it's not a one-time thing. I need to stay on top of it.
Exactly. Consistency is key. Alex, think of your money as seeds. If you plant them wisely, they'll grow into a strong financial future.
I love that analogy. So, how do I start investing?
Start with the basics. Build an emergency fund, pay off high-interest debt, and then explore investments like mutual funds or index funds.
I've heard about the stock market, but it seems risky.
It can be, but with research and a long-term perspective, it's a powerful tool for growth.
Thanks, Waqar. I finally feel like I have a roadmap to financial success.
Remember, Alex, financial management is a journey. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and you'll achieve your goals. Ready to take control of your finances? Start today. Plan, organize, and control your money to build a stable and prosperous future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on financial management.